Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Computronix and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to review another laptop, Dell Inspiron 155515 AMD Ryzen 5. Processor type is AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, 8 MB L3 cache. Processor speed is 2.1 giga, turbo boost up to 4.0 giga, and number of cores is 6 core. CPU cores is 6 core 12 threads, and the graphic card in it, that is the AMD Radeon, and the GPU core is 7. Installed memory is 8 GB DDR4, 32 megahertz. Solid state drive 256 SSD NVMe M2 PCIe solid state drive. Core i AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 SSD. Graphic memory AMD Radeon graphics with shared graphic memory. And when we talk about the screen size, 15.6 inch Full HD 1920 into 1080p integrate LED backlit touch narrow border WBA display. This is if you can when we talk about the fingerprint reader, yes, it has the fingerprint reader, and fingerprint reader is on the keyboard. Numeric keyboard, yes, available, and Carbon English international backlit keyboard. Bluetooth technology is 5 combo, and USB ports 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, which use as display port and power delivery. 1 HDMI port. And when we talk about the webcam, that is webcam is 1280 into 720 at 30 fps camera. Genuine window, 10 home. Price starting from 125 to 135. The AMD Ryzen processor is nowadays very famous processor, which has more cores and more threads. So that's why its speed is good. Screen resolution is as well very good. Thank you for watching the Computronix. Jazakallah khair.